Welcome everyone. I am starting a new e-learning or at-home working quick tip of the day. This can be used for educators and anybody else. Hopefully you enjoy it, and please provide feedback if there's any quick tips that you'd like me to share. So my first one that I'm going to start with is Loom. Loom is right now free for educators, and I love it. It's a way to do screen recordings and show different ways or how to use something your students can actually have if they're doing Chromebooks or any other um, uh, actual computer device. It does not work on iPad devices. So I'm just going to show you the Chrome extension. It would be type in Loom Chrome extension. It will show from my end that I already have it, but make sure that you install it or add to Chrome. And I have it right here, and it's wonderful, and I'm going to show you how it works right now. So I click on, it's this 4 segments that make kind of this circle, and I hover, and it's Loom for Chrome. I'm going to click on it right now. And it says that it can't record from this page. Let's see if I can record from a different page. So top Chrome extensions 2020. Let's click on this and let's see if I can record from this page. So I try clicking Loom again. And it is, I believe, currently recording. There we go. So sorry for the hiccup. So you click Loom. I forgot you can't record just from a Google search. You actually have to be on a website. But the nice thing is you don't necessarily need to be doing a website. You can actually record your entire desktop. So I'm going to click full desktop. You have the option of doing the current tab only, or you can do the full desktop. And you can see that I'm testing my mic out right here, and I can hear it. And on the bottom here, you can see that you can make me bigger, or you can make me smaller. Or if you don't want it at all, you can do screen only. And so that is nice as well. And you can pop out and not even have it there at all. So let's do screen so you can see me. And then you should be able to see me right now. And I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks very quickly how to do this. You just start recording. Your screen should say, tell you what do you want. Do you want just specific applications? So I have Chrome up here, or do you want your entire desktop? So I'm going to just show you the entire desktop. And it counts you down. Being very slow today, so I apologize. And now I know that I am recording because I have the Loom up here. I also see the green button on my MacBook, and then I'm going to hide this, and I can show you how to do anything. Let me quickly show you to go into a specific application and show you that it is recording what I'm doing. Let's go into, let's see, we can do Keynote. And Loom should be recording everything that I'm doing. I'm opening up Keynote very slowly. And you can see it's opening. I don't want the update. And I like to call it the blue spinning wheel of death, we call it sometimes. And so let's start a new document. And so right now I'm teaching you, say, how to create a keynote, or how to choose different types of presentations. So I want to go to a white one. And right now Loom is recording all of this. It's awesome. And if you want to go from this to then a different application, you can do that as well. So I'm going to actually stop my Loom as soon as I see it coming up. And I'm going to say OK. This is exactly what I wanted to recording. The recording now is linked to your clipboard, which is wonderful. You can just copy and paste it at that point. You can change the title as simple as How to Use Loom. It has my video here. You can speed it up. I'm going to go to the end and you can see that it shows your entire desktop. It's wonderful. And then there are other things you can do. You can change your privacy settings if you want to open to everybody or just the link you share. And it's as simple as copying the link and posting it anywhere you would like. So I'm going to copy it and post it to my Twitter account. You can invite specific people. You're able to trim things. It's just wonderful. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to comment on my tweet or my post, however you actually see this. I look forward to showing you some stuff next time.